In this video we're going to look at solving sequences. It's a bit of a grand term. What I really mean is when we have a sequence and we want to find out when a particular value occurs. So what are the steps we're going to have to go through? Well, first of all we have to work out the formula for our sequence. Once we know the formula for our sequence, we're going to create an equation using this particular value and the formula, and then we're going to solve the formula to find out the term position for that particular value. Okay, let's look at an example where the sequence is given to us explicitly like this, where it's very clear, and we want to find out where in this sequence does the 137 occur. So first of all, we have to find out the equation or formula that relates this sequence. It's going up 3, and by 3 each time, like the 3 times table. But the 3 times table goes 3, 6, 9, 12. These are all 2 more, so that would imply that the nth term is 3n from the 3 times table plus 2 to make the adjustment to get to the 5. To get the equation, we just change the nth for 137, so it's 3n plus 2 is 137. That gives us the equation that we need to solve. So what we're going to now do is subtract 2 from both sides, so we get 3n is 135, and we now divide both sides by 3 to get n equals 45. So that means it's the 45th number in the sequence, which equals 137. Okay, so let's look at our next example. And if you looked at this really quickly, you might not notice it's a sequence at all. But on day 1, the carrot weighs 3.6 grams. Each day after that, it gains 0.2 grams. Now, I'm pretty sure carrots don't grow like that, but that doesn't really matter. On which day will it weigh 15.8 grams? Well, this one's going up by 0.2 each time, a bit like the 0.2 times table. And now in that one, the first term would be 0.2, ours needs to be 3.6. We need to make an adjustment of 3.4, which gives us all this. It goes up by 0.2 each time. The first value is 3.6. There's our adjustment. So here's our formula. Now, just to make it a little bit easier, a bit of a trick, it's going up by 0.2 each time. So this bit's really clear. But if we could cover up that n, we're left with 0.2 plus 3.4, and that will always give us our first value. Anyway, we want to find out when this equals 15.8, and that gives us our first formula. So if I want to go about solving this formula, the first thing I'm going to do is subtract 3.4 from both sides to get 0.2 equals 12.4. Then I need to divide by 0.2 to get n equals 62. So it's on day 62 that the carrot weighs 15.8 grams. I hope you found the video helpful. The video goes with a book that I'm writing for Year 9 Mathematics in New Zealand, and you can find a link to a copy of the book below, and that book is free for you to use and give to others. In the book you can find questions that go with this video, and in a link below this video you'll be able to find answers to those questions. Stay in Infield with Winfield.